I'm Diane. Welcome to my kitchen. So this is a Jamaican style pepper shrimp. Growing up as a kid, I remember the guy used to come through the neighborhood with a cart going down the street announcing that he has pepper shrimp, and people would buy them. They're usually nice and hot and spicy. So basically I took 2 hot peppers, habanero peppers. If you have Jamaican Scotch bonnet, that's like ideal. I add about 2 to 3 garlic, crush it up, and I put some salt on my shrimp. So basically this is like flavored oil. All right, that's where the flavor for the pepper is going to come from. So I'm going to give this oil some time to heat up and infuse with the garlic and the pepper. All right, guys, we are back. My oil is nice and hot, and I can smell it. And basically, you're gonna take your shrimp, add it to the pot. Again, I like to leave the skin on the shrimp. We don't peel it, so make sure you get shrimp that isn't peeled. Just make sure it cooks on both sides before we take it out. Shrimp is starting to turn nice and pink. I'm going to get a plate so I can put it on. Okay, so these are done. I'm going to take them out. And this is what they look like. Voila.